With silk thread jewelry making technique. I actually again welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So I have already made few videos on silk thread. So I'll give its link in the description below. So do watch them later. So today I have made this earring using in the combination of silk thread and charms. So these charms are very trendy nowadays as people are using them in fabric jewelry. So I thought why not to make them in the combination of silk thread. So today we will learn the same, that is the combination of different charms and silk thread, and we'll make this elegant earrings. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can make on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now let's get started. The material required is any colored thread, beading wire, charms, jardoshi, jump rings, cutter and plier. So first of all, we'll make the bunch of silk thread for this. I'm taking this pen as an instrument and I'll make approx 60 rounds with this thread. So I have made 60 rounds. Now I'll remove it, and first of all I'm going to insert this one jump ring from all of this. Again I'll close this immediately. I'm inserting jump ring first because if I do these knots later, so now we will not make a knot here. So all portion of thread won't be coming in this. So to avoid that, I always first insert jump ring and then make these knots. So you can also follow the same process. Okay, and now we will cut this from this end. So with this one bunch of silk thread is ready. Similarly we will make 5 to 6 more. So I have already made them, and we have one more to make, which is a bigger one. So we will do that quickly now. If you like this tutorial, do like to the video. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making techniques. Okay guys, I have made this bunch of silk thread similar to this, but there is a slight difference over here that I am taking this jardoshi and I stretch this jardoshi to make a wire like this, and we will smoothly wrap this jardoshi wire here to have a good look for this earring. Now our main part is done. Now we will attach all of them using this beading wire. So I am cutting this beading wire in small portion, and we insert these ends in this 30 gauge wire. First of all, I am going to insert this charm from this one and make sure that it is coming to hold down, and again from back side I will remove this wire and bring front, and we'll make a loop here to make sure that it gets stuck very properly. Okay, now we will add these two bunch of small bunches of silk thread, and again I am going to add this charm. So make sure that this side of charms always remain up front, or any one side, otherwise it won't look good. And again we will have two knots.